Hey everybody, my name is Tim. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create an influencer marketing post for Instagram. Now, if you haven't already, check out my other video on how to find Instagram influencers to market your store and your products with if you don't know how already. So on that note, before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell as well, because I'll be sharing with you guys value every single day on how you can build and grow a successful dropshipping business. And on that note, let's get started. As you can see, I'm on this website called canva.com. And what Canva is a free tool resource that you can use to edit your social media posts and graphics with. And I love it because it's just easy and you don't have to download any programs like Photoshop or any other programs to edit like that. So once you register, it's really easy. All you need is email and password. So for today, we're going to use the template they have for social media posts. It's going to be square social media graphic. It's 800 by 800. So it's already set and you don't have to edit any of the dimensions. So once it loads, you see they have layouts right here that you can use for free and some paid ones as well. But for today, we're going to use an example of a watch. This is just a picture I got off of AliExpress. So I'm going to resize it to a size that I like, and that looks good. So first thing I do when I'm looking for pictures from AliExpress, I like to use pictures of the product that's in use because it makes people picture that they're using the product as well. So it's just great to start off with. And now what I also like to put in the picture is a quote, because just a picture of a watch and the hand looks plain. So what I like to do is actually put a quote that catches people's attention, something that people want to read. So it's really easy. I just go to google.com and just search watch quotes, right? Watch quotes, go to images, and then you're gonna see all these quotes they have. Alright, let's go with this one. A watch is the most important piece of jewelry you can wear, by Mark Anthony. What a great quote. So we're going to use that right now for this one. So you're going to go to text and just drag the text element into the square. So now it's on there. You can edit and just use the quote, type it in, resize it to how you like it. So I'm going to change the font to that one. And then now I want to make it a little bit smaller because it looks a little bit too big right now. So make it bold. Stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so it's really hard to see the quote right now, but what I'll do is put a background behind that quote, change the color so that it pops out more, right? So I'll go to element, let's go to shapes, select the first one, it's just a square, arrange it, put it behind the quote itself, and what you want to do is size it so that it fits where the quote will be within the box. Alright, that's good enough for me. Let's change this to black and then change the transparency a little bit so it's a little bit transparent enough to where you can see the picture behind. And then I'll change the color of the words of the quote to white. Awesome. And I just like doing that because it makes the quote pop out a little bit more. It looks pretty nice how transparent the background is. You can see the picture as well. And on top of this, you can also write what your offer is. But let's move this higher a little bit so that it doesn't cover the watch. So move the quote up, and then I'll move the box up as well. Okay, that's great. So from here, let's say that you're doing a buy one get one offer. So what I like to use is badges. So for example, I got this one off of Google. Just go back to google.com and search BOGO badge PNG. And then this is the first one I got, and I choose PNG because the background will be transparent and see-through, so that all you see is the actual badge itself. You can find other badges as well on Google. Just search the same thing, put badge and PNG, and I'll just drag this onto the picture right here. Size it so it's not too big. Move it down to the bottom corner. And let's create some scarcity or some urgency, right? So let's create some urgency in the picture. Let's put limited time offer to help push them to purchase or click on the link in the bio. So let's make this, I'll make it white as well and move this down to below the badge. Awesome. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's how I make my influencer posts for Instagram. If you gain value from this video, make sure you hit the like button and comment down below on what you guys want to see next. I'm thinking about doing a Facebook ad series, since a lot of people seem to be struggling with that in the Facebook group. So if you haven't already, also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you get notified every time I post a video, so that I can help you guys grow and build your business. And if you haven't already, make sure you join the Shopify Dropshipping for Entrepreneurs, our Facebook group, down in the description down below, because there's over 50,000 entrepreneurs in the group already. There's lots of value, great place for you to network with other entrepreneurs that are currently dropshipping or even learning more about dropshipping as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.